The Cadet Standard Electric Baseboard Heater, ideal for providing basic heating in a small bedroom or bathroom. The unit is designed for a low level of heat output. It also has restricted wiring compatibility, which limits where this unit would be best used. However, it comes with a warranty that outlasts many competitors, and its compact design will help it fit in any small room. This electric baseboard heating device operates at 500 watts, and requires 120-volt wiring. The power output of the heater is somewhat constraining as it can only heat rooms up to 85 square feet. It is sized to accommodate smaller rooms with its 30-inch width, and comes with both wall mounting tools and pre-punched knockouts every inch to accommodate simple wiring and installation. As is the case with most baseboard heating units, this Cadet requires an external thermostat, which must be purchased separately. The company advises consumers to purchase the Cadet brand thermostat, as these devices must be installed directly onto the heater itself. The unit is designed to control temperatures safely in a small room. The convection heating element operates in absolute silence, gradually warming up a room as cool air enters through the underside of the unit and rises toward the ceiling. In addition, it has a thermal cutoff feature that monitors the unit's temperature, and immediately switches off when it exceeds certain heat levels. It will switch on and off as needed to regulate the temperature of the room. Although this electric baseboard heater is a great option for heating a single bedroom or providing extra heat to another area of your home, it is not ENERGY STAR certified. This unit can be purchased in either a white or almond color to match the wall and baseboard where it will be installed. A valuable trait of this heater that sets it apart from most models of the same heating output is its lifetime warranty. This covers everything from the heating elements to the individual components of the device, being you responsible only for the cost of shipping each piece to the manufacturer for repairs or replacement. The Cadet 2F500W offers low-cost baseboard heating for small rooms, and it does so with remarkable results. Its lifetime warranty ensures it will outperform many other models on the market, though when it comes to high heat output for large spaces, this unit will obviously be quite lacking. It is restricted in terms of compatible wiring, but it can be an ideal fit for an older home if your room is already wired for a 120-volt heater.